Crime, who is the leader of the Tankwell gang, is considered to be armed and dangerous and has been linked to multiple incidents of crime, including murder, shooting, and arson. He's also wanted in connection with shooting at a police team some time ago. Nesta Morrison, who has been listed as wanted several times before, is being urged to turn himself in to the security forces immediately.
He says a joint anti-gang task force has been mobilized to apprehend the wanted man and his cronies. Meanwhile, Brooks is also warning people against harboring criminals.
Additionally, the security forces are warning anyone who may be associated with Morrison and may be harboring him at their residences that they will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. Anyone with any information as to the whereabouts of Nesta Morrison is being asked to contact the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force at 876-224-4483.
The recently passed firearms bill is expected to aid in deterring criminals as penalties are far more radical. Veronique Bowen, CVM Live.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Now give me 1,000,000 likes on this one and click on another video. Arizona boss, when I hear from you. But anyways, I'm going to write in this. Now, Grimey boss, Bigga crime. Mr. Morrison. My uncle 29-year-old, you know. That youth here, you know. My uncle 29-year-old. And apparently he lead the Tankwell gang. And the man them a war in a 11-mile Bull Bay, St. Andrew side of St. Thomas and Bull Bay where it connect. And a long time I see him name a call, cause on the spot news media talk about him and said the war had won. And way before him get him name a call up like this. So my thing is, how come the police them allow this man to get away for such a long time? Now, we are talking about Bigga crime and him wanted and all them things, but when I try to understand, you have so much different police task force. You have CTAC, you have MOCA, and apparently you have this one right here, JTAC.
Just last Thursday, 5 persons were shot at this shop, 1 died. Residents who didn't want to speak on camera say they're fearful.
Now, for over a year, that youth here, I drive fear in the people in St. Thomas. And I just know the police them are put him on the radar. When you hear what the people them just say, them afraid. Now, what make me really want profile a boy or make him come in on my profile, like me say, me is a nationalist, so certain videos me do, but some me not do. Cause me say everybody jump on the bandwagon about that youth here. But that youth here, the way out him do film thing, you know. Him do film thing by driving fear in the people them. And me I go play a clip. And that clip there, I will show you one of them tactics.
The truth is that he drives so much fear in the persons there by the manner in which he operates. Our information is that he searches persons' phones from time to time. He would just pop up and take your phone to see who you are communicating with and if you are communicating anything about him, said Byfield.
Now, you see what him do? Them say, them will just pull up in the area, cause him not live in the area no more. Him will come there, come do him crime. But Grimey boss will pull up in the area and just randomly grab your phone from you and search your phone and go through your text message and through your private messages. Now, if that not drive fear in our people, me no know what to say.
A man known as Bigga Crime, one of St. Thomas's most ruthless criminals, is currently driving fear in the hearts of residents in 11 miles, Bull Bay. His tactics, according to the head of the St. Thomas Police Division, Superintendent Allison Byfield, has allowed him to continuously elude the police who are finding it difficult to bring peace and order to the crime-torn community. Byfield told Jamaica First Country First that the suspect has been linked to the 5 murders and numerous shootings in the area since October. Our information is that he doesn't reside in the space anymore, but what he does is come into the area to carry out his acts as well as to terrorize the residents. The violence has left residents cowering in fear, and Byfield said that one of the difficulties her officers face is getting residents to cooperate with the police. The residents are not really talking much. You go through the area, they welcome our presence, but they are not giving us information on how to locate him.
So you what? Me a struggle to come up with another name for Bigga Crime, Grimey boss. And it hit me a stroke of genius, my people. Yo, me a call him Walking Dead. The boy a Walking Dead. Yo, him a terrorize the place for a long time. Him kill the 2 brother them same responsible for 5 murder at the time of this, you know. But now, Walking Dead probably responsible for about 10-15 murder. Plus him shoot off a police and a whole bunch of other things. Me a hear say all rape him wanted for. Cause me hear through the grapevine. Cause me have a brethren who live at St. Thomas. Now, there is certain things that perplex me about that one thing. Now, I don't know me stay now. I don't know say me not like police, and at the same time I not like blood clot gang either. And me not like politician. Me a nationalist. With that said, something really bother me. But all of them wanted man case here. And the police them come out and say the man them wanted, which we know through people who living in the space with them violence producer, kinda sorta. But the Jamaica Defense Force and the JCF, them need to have a better way of showing evidence and providing evidence to the public to make we know, because this man has been accused of all these crimes. And like me say, me nah flip-flop, me nah defend Bigga Crime, cause like me I say, a Walking Dead, and when police catch him, me sorry for it. But the police them need to show us evidence, and so we can know for sure. Because like me say, Jamaica is a place where man will do things and call up your name. And just because you hang out with certain man, whatever, me nah justify him, because me know say him go on with a bag of things. But the police them need to show that. And before me go, I want to talk about another issue in a them Bumbuckler community. Now, those of you who know Countryman know say, yo, man just now go repost and reread the damn news. Me go break it down and profile it. And me as a man, me not politically correct, you understand? I am not Sir P or on the spot news media. Understand? But me respect them. Now, another blood clot thing will bother me about this is the people them that live in these fucking community. Now, them say them afraid, and when the police come in, for them give evidence or talk. Them not give no information. You understand? Now, for walking dead boy in our space and I do things pan rapid for the last 2 years. You understand? And able to get away with it in my uncle 29-year-old. But no say that boy then have no blood clot money. You understand? Him not have no money where him can't wait me and then chill out and fly go there so fly go there. Him not have money like Squash them and certain man. Him not even have money like Shabdan them. So my thing is for him have evade the police them like that, which the police them have intelligence say him not in the area, but him come and do him and do kill people, whatever, search people house, him a move like police in the area, search people house and them private phone. For him can operate like that. The people them in this space are hiding, and for that them is a set of pussy out. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And yo, give me 1 million likes on this. Like me said, Bigga crime, a walking dead. He might terrorize the people them in our neighborhood. And like me say again, the people them in the 11 mile violence prone blood clot area there, them is a set of pussy. I'm out.